Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to epidemicsound.com. In order to do so, first off we have gone straight to epidemicsound.com and we're just going to accept some cookies, and here we see the main screen and you can see that you have the try for free option here and also at the top right hand corner right next to where it says log in. Since this is our first time logging in, we're going to go ahead and click try for free and we're going to get ourselves logged in. Now you can see that we have the option for a 30-day free trial, and then from there is either a yearly or monthly subscription. So let's go ahead and we'll try the free trial for the personal, and we'll see how things work out here for us. Okay, so now it's giving us the option to either continue with Google, continue with Apple, or sign up with an email and a password that we're going to create. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google, and we'll just do a couple clicks here. And here we are now on the start your 30-day trial, and we have some information here that it's asking us to enter in. I am not going to enter in this information. We're going to just stop here, but this is just to give you an idea that in order to log in to Epidemic Sound, you are going to need to start an account rather, and start the subscription. So in order to access that, you do need to go through that process. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.